today's Wednesday. I'm getting ready for the day. I'm just gonna do some makeup. I have my little sponge, doing coffee. I have some coffee. I put this sunscreen on a little earlier when I went to go drop Callie. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use this concealer. YouTube was having issues with processing, and it wasn't just my channel, it was a few channels. I checked on Twitter. I always check on Twitter when I see something going on with my YouTube. I'm like, let me go to Twitter to see if anyone else is experiencing this. And people were on Twitter like saying like their videos weren't processing. So I was like, okay. So this was like maybe 10 minutes in, because usually processing is pretty quick. So 30 minutes goes by and I'm like, what's going on? An hour goes by. Then 2 hours goes by and I'm like, okay, like this is not working. So I tried to upload the video again because I thought maybe if I re-uploaded, still didn't work. I tried to re-export the video out of Final Cut and change the name and like alter it a little bit, still didn't work. So then I tried to upload a file that I had already uploaded to YouTube just to make sure it wasn't the file, and it didn't work. So I'm like, okay, so it's not my file, it's definitely like a YouTube thing. And I couldn't upload, you guys. I was so sad about it because I was really like, I really wanted to not miss any days of Vlogtober. Like, I don't know, this was totally out of my control, but I still always find a way to blame myself. And I'm like, if I had uploaded earlier, I wouldn't have run into this issue, because apparently it started at a certain time. So if I had uploaded earlier, or like even just had it on YouTube just saved privately, I wouldn't have run into that issue. But it's okay. Everything is a learning experience for me. So, and it's completely out of my control, so I can't really be too, you know, fixated on it. But it is fixed. The video actually processed at 11:30 last night. That's the time it processed, you guys. 11:30. And I'm like, what the heck? Like, what? So obviously I didn't upload it. I actually saw other people uploading after that time. I think it's because their videos were probably doing the same thing, because I saw a few people upload that never really upload around that time. So I was like, okay, maybe they all got processed together. I don't know what the heck. I don't know, y'all. I was not feeling it. I'm gonna use my Fenty powder in Cashew. I'm using the Fenty powder in Cashew. Today is so cold. It's 30 something degrees outside. 30 something degrees. This reminds me of why I don't like to say I like fall, because fall in New York is different. It's different. It's not fall. It's winter. Like, fall is cute when you don't live in New York. You know, when you're not, I mean, the trees are cute. The first few days of fall are cute. A little sprinkle here and there, you know, of nice weather. But a lot of these days are just giving winter, you guys. Like, ugh. I have an event in the city tomorrow, so I really hope it's not as cold. And honestly, I don't know what I'm wearing. I thought I was gonna wear this one outfit, but now I'm like, maybe I should wear something a little fancier. Not fancier, but not as casual. I wanted to go super casual for whatever reason. I never really go to events very casual. Now I'm kind of like, do I really want to? I don't know. Can't find my brow pencil. I need to find it before tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm thinking about going to Zara to try to find an outfit, or H&M to try to find something that I could possibly wear. But it all depends on the weather, because, you know, when it's really cold, I personally choose comfort over cuteness, okay? I want to be comfy, so, and cozy. I want to try the Buxom lip gloss, so I'm gonna wear that today. Don't mind my ashy hands. I did use the blow dryer. I could not help myself, but I did use it on my dry hair that actually had oil in it, which was a bad idea, but it definitely works, and I can already tell. So I think once I do it on like wet hair to get a fresh blowout, it's gonna look amazing. Oh, it smells, oh I get it. It smells like a spice hot toddy. Ooh, This color is pretty. She's pretty. I just curled in the ends of my hair with my flat iron. My outfit's super casual. Sweater because it's cold and I want to be cozy. So yeah, I'm gonna actually go out today with my mom. We're gonna go look for decorations for fall for the front of the house and also for her front door, and then I might look for my door as well. So kind of decide what I'm gonna do. I took like 2 sips of coffee and my stomach started to feel weird, so I stopped drinking it. I don't know what's going on, like I don't know, but I'm gonna probably get matcha or a chai or something like that. I just feel like coffee has just not been my friend lately, and I don't know, because like I don't know why it's trying to break up with me, but maybe, you know, maybe I just need to take the L and find a new partner. Why am I like this? Why am I like this? I literally only took 1 sip, you guys, and my stomach is killing me. So we're gonna try to find some mums and also some pumpkins. Hopefully, we just came from a different, like a nursery, and they didn't really have anything nice. So this one seems to have quite a few mums. Quite a few mums in here, and some pumpkins. A pretty good selection. These are nice here. These colors. What do you think?
Yeah. So, big selection from here. Those are going to open yet. So they have time to bloom. Yeah, but that's how you feel about it. But I'm very nice.
How long do they last if they're like that?
The one I have outside, I have it like 2 weeks now.
So if you get them like this, how long will they last for?
It's a week.
A week?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, because you have to keep dead head in there. So I have less work to do.
Okay. So that one, how much are these?
Just checking.
Back up to about Friday because I spoke to I don't know whoever, but the yellow damn sweet potatoes. She said they'd probably be ready by this week.
What's up? This rug, well, what is this, a mat for the front of the door. So this is the mat here, and then I'm gonna put the flowers, put it on this side. Yeah, I'll put it right on this side right here. So these are the ones I'm gonna put there. These are gonna go in front of the house. I'm not gonna show you guys that for obvious reasons, but these are gonna go in front with the purple ones, and then this one's gonna go by my entrance, which is the side door. This is the pot that I got. All right, so my mom's gonna do this pot for me, and then I'm gonna go to Target to try to get another little rug. So this is gonna be my pink one. Right? It matches. I also got this tablecloth. This is for the holiday season. I thought it would be really nice for this little table, for this kitchen table. And then I got a pie. I got the blackberry peach pie. So their pies are usually really, really good. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for later. My hands are so ashy right now. I'm gonna head to Target so I can find a smaller mat. I had seen one there a couple of weeks ago. I forget what it said. I saw a Christmas mat that I really like, but I feel like it's too early to get a Christmas mat. So I'm probably gonna get just a regular, yeah. I also might try to find an outfit for later, for tomorrow. I was gonna go super casual and I have an outfit in mind, but today I'm just kind of like thinking maybe I should dress up a little bit. Guys, so I'm on my way to Target, and I also wanted to stop at Zara. Let's put this on here. I also wanted to stop at Zara just to see like what they have in the stores, just to see what they have in case I wanted to pick out something to wear tomorrow. I'm not really sure if I will find something, but I just kind of wanted to look. Like I said earlier, I have a very casual outfit in mind, but it's like semi-casual because it's a sweater. I'll show you guys later today, but it's basically a sweater. And then I would wear like some mom jeans, and I'm thinking some pointed toe ankle boots. So it's kind of, you know, casual, but I feel like the boots kind of give it a little bit more of a casual chic vibe. Okay, so I'm trying to decide if I should go to Target first or if I should go to Zara first, because although I want to get my drink, part of the reason I'm coming to Target is to get a mat, and I don't really want to walk around the mall with a mat. So I don't know, I think I should probably go to Zara first. So hey y'all, so I just left the mall. I went to Starbucks in Target, got some things at Target. I tried to go to Zara, you guys, but they were closed. There's a note on the door saying that their AC is not working for the day, so they're closed. Basically, I'm just gonna wear what I had planned to wear, which was like a very casual outfit. There were so many Christmas things at Target, and honestly, I wanted to get them all, but it's literally October, and I was like, I cannot do that. So I'm gonna wait till November, you know, which is literally 2 weeks away, but I feel like October is just a little mud. So quick Target haul. I'm back home. Most of these are snacks for my kids for school. I got some whipped cream for the pie that I got earlier. Got some just more snacks, and then I got these for the bathroom. So I ended up getting the pink ones because it didn't have a green in the smaller size at Target today. So I got the pink ones for these garbage bags. I got a couple shots. This one is a detox shot, and then this one is an immunity shot. So I got, this is ginger and turmeric, and then this has spirulina and kiwi fruit. And then I got these Glade, what do you call these, plugins. I really love this scent, and I really hope I have a Glade one and not an Airwick. I can't remember, but I love the scent of this. I smelled it. It smelled amazing. So yeah, hopefully I have the right thing. If not, I'll just go pick one up from the supermarket. If not, I'll go pick one up from the supermarket, but I'm pretty sure I have a Glade. So yeah, that's my Target. Oh, let me show you guys the rug. This is the brand for the mat that I got, the doormat, and this is it here. This is what everything looks like. I have the flower over here, and then the two mats that I just got today. This one, the bottom mat is from a local store, and then the top one is from Target. My hair. Maybe I should do some sunglasses as a headband. Is that better? Probably not. Hey y'all, I'm about to go get Callie from school, but I wanted to share real quick because I was listening to K-Love. K-Love is like a Christian radio station, so I was listening to K-Love earlier. So basically it was actually Proverbs 3-5, which I had read a couple days ago, maybe last week. He was saying a lot of times we are focused on the product of faith and not the process of faith, and I was like, oh, that is so true. Like, it's so easy to look at other people and see like what having faith got them, and you know how they're living just due to them having faith, and we're just looking at the product, the end result, and not seeing the process, like the process of having faith and what that looks like. And we don't always see that, and the process may not always be enjoyable, but just knowing that God's there and God's got you, and in the end you're gonna get to the beautiful product that it is. And sometimes, a lot of times, the product for you is so much better because it's perfect and it's made specifically for you, and something that you would never even imagine it could be. So I added my own little spin. I remixed it a little bit, but that was the gist of the message. So yeah, I'm gonna go get Callie. I'm gonna go get Callie right now. I just heard the mailman, so I'm gonna check the mailbox and then I'll get Callie. Yeah, I'm gonna drive to the mailbox. I am driving to the mailbox at the end of the driveway. Alright, so I just posted on YouTube and Instagram. Just posted my Dove campaign, which I'm really excited about. Also, I started cooking the salmon in the air fryer, so let's go check on that. I think it should be done. It's basically done. I'm just gonna add some more lemon. So this is dinner. We have potatoes, the salmon, and Brussels sprouts. So yeah, I definitely cannot wait to taste this. I think it's gonna taste so yummy. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have it with some sparkling water or one of the other beverages, but this is our lovely healthy dinner for tonight. And for the potatoes, I put them in the air fryer for 10 minutes. Brussels sprouts were cooked in the microwave because it was in a steamable bag. Salmon was also in the air fryer. I love me an air fryer. I love my air fryer, you guys. I use it literally every day. So I forgot to show you guys earlier, but I went to the bathroom to see what I had, and it was surely was an Airwick. So I did go to the store to pick up a couple Glade plugins so that way I can use the new scents because I really, really love them. So yeah, this is my old one, and I don't think I'm really gonna use it. I actually put the Glade in, and I think it smells stronger. This here is the Glade plugin. I have the champagne one. It smells so good, you guys. I also found this in my drawer when I was looking for my plugins, and this one is from Bath and Body Works. It's one of their like little plug-in thingies. I forget what they call it, wallflowers. But this one has a light, so it's a night light, and I was like, wait a minute, I forgot I had this. So I think I'm going to get some wallflowers so I can use this one maybe in the living room or something like that. I think this would look nice in the living room. I completely forgot I had this though, and I should have some more, but I really don't know where they are. You know, they may be in my back room. I'm gonna go look because these, I have some really cute ones. I just don't know what I did with them. So I just went to the back room and I found 2 of these. So I was right, they were in there, the room that I was filming in where I store all my stuff. So I found this one. It says I love you a latte, and I got this years ago, but I need to get a new wallflower. So I'm gonna go to Bath and Body Works maybe in a couple days to get them. I can't go today, but this one is for the holiday season, the one with the pine cones. I think it's definitely like holiday, but it's also kind of fallish, so maybe I can use it right now. But I can just basically put one in my room, and then this one definitely is for the kitchen. So I'm gonna put this in the kitchen, and this one I'm gonna put probably in my room or the living room. So cute. I'm happy I found these because these are expensive. I think I spent like, I don't know, almost $15-20 on these things. The little like cute case ones, and the light up one, it was way too much for me to be not using it. So I got all my little plug-in adapters. I gotta clean the tops, they look nasty, and I'm gonna clean them with these wipies. But quick little review on these, I don't think I'm gonna repurchase them until they change the packaging or something. So basically these, I really like the consistency of them, but but the way it's packaged, you can't pull out, there's no hole to pull the wipes out. Like this is just big hole right here. So you can't, like, you know, pull the wipe out the way you normally would, if that makes sense, through like the little hole. So I find myself having to take off the entire cover and then pull in each piece like an actual paper towel one by one, because when I try to do it this way, when I try to do it like this, it breaks up like this every time. I think I got it right 1 or 2 times, but then I was wasting the pieces, so I just decided that I was gonna open it up and just like, you know, this, and then I take the entire thing out and, you know, take it out one by one like an actual paper towel. Like I said, I like them in terms of their thickness, but this is just not practical for me. And I feel like it's getting dirty because, you know, I'm touching it with my hands while I'm cleaning. So I don't know. It was a good idea, but I feel like the packaging needs a little bit more work. So I'm gonna go back to my regular wipes that are not the paper towel ones, I guess. But just want to let y'all know, I'm not a fan.